Hi, my name is Latasha Palmer, and I'm going to be providing you with a brief overview regarding my reflective journal for our EDAD 601 course. Okay, the purpose of this presentation is to provide a brief overview of the course learning objectives regarding the following: CAPE, ELCC, and ISTE standards, and how these standards relate to my current and future role as an educational administrator. I'm also going to provide you with my perspective of the assignment description in the assignment tab. And I'm also going to discuss what I am looking to get out of this course, in addition to what experiences and professional expertise I have that I feel will help contribute to the learning community. With regards to CAPE, ELCC, and ISTE standards, CAPE meaning the California Administrator's Performance Expectations, and CPSEL, I hope I'm saying this correctly, CPSEL, California Professional Standards for the Teaching Profession, are both in alignment with one another. And in regards to the standards, there are 6 primary areas of focus among the CAPE and the CPSEL to promote student success as evidenced by a student's academic achievement and well-being. And they are within vision, leadership, management, family and community engagement, professional ethics, and policy. According to the ELCC, which is the Educational Leadership Constituent Council, there are 7 core primary standards for building effective level leadership and their ability to apply their knowledge within 7 core areas. When looking at the ISTE, which is the International Society for Technology and Education, they have 6 core standards in order to help rethink education and creative innovation learning environments. As you can see, there are some similarities between both ELCC and ISTE with regards to their standard. Let's look at how these standards relate to my current and future role as an educational administrator. Currently, I serve 3 school sites as a school social worker. I'm responsible for managing and overseeing the student support services within 2 middle schools and 1 elementary school. I'm also responsible for upholding my own ethical standards as a school social worker, in addition to supporting the districts and schools' shared vision. My perspective of the assignment description and the assignment tab. I think from my perspective, everything is pretty clear. There's a rubric, and if I needed any additional assistance, I know how to reach out to my instructor. What I'm looking for to get out of the course is to become a great leader so that I'm able to effectively lead and manage a school. And the experiences and the professional expertise that I believe I bring to the table in order to enhance our learning community is, number 1, I'm a former graduate Brandman student, and I believe that my professional expertise of being a school social worker for 7 years would be able to add greater insight to other leaders who are pursuing their preliminary administrative credential in public education as well. Thank you.